how the new Instagram feature instants work. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Let's see how it works. So under this feature, you can simply click pictures and they will disappear. There will be no viewer list and there will be reactions and replies, but they will be in private. It sounds more like the Snapchat version of Instagram. Maybe they are trying to get the business from the Snapchat. So all you have to do is click pictures, and just like a Snapchat it would work, and you can create different category of friends who you can share these pictures with. But it is quite important that you both follow each other, otherwise they won't be able to see your snaps or the pictures that you will be clicking. And if we click on the top right hand side corner, you would be able to see all the instants that you have taken, and you can also create a recap of all these instants if you want to. And if you want to access this feature, simply open up the message section of your Instagram, and over there you would be able to see it, the plus icon on the right hand side. Just simply click on it and it would open up instants for you, and this is how we do it. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.